Okay, here's what Winter Storm Fern has done in southeast Indiana. This is Sunday, January 25th at 8 a.m. I took my last video at 6 p.m. last night. Here's what it looked like then. Hard to see how many inches there are just by looking at it because, right, it's all the same level. Okay, here we go. Brought our little yardstick out here. We have got 10 inches. 10 inches. There's a lot. And it's going to snow, Lord, for probably another 6, maybe 8 hours. We're in trouble, y'all. We are, oh my gosh. We threw down some salt last night, but that did a little good. So I better get the shovel out. See what I can do. Holy moly.